This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Shauna Calvert. 6528 Simone Shores Circle, a Halcyon floorplan, 5 beds, 4 baths, 2,654 living square feet, 12 feet elevation. Welcome to 6528 Simone Shores Circle, a newly built 2025 waterfront home by Bistro Builders, located in the elevated community of Simone Shores in Apollo Beach. The Halcyon floor plan offers 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and 2,654 square feet of living space, plus a private dock, new seawall, 10,000 pounds boat lift, and heated saltwater pool with spa. Built for long-term durability and efficiency, this home features solid block construction on both floors, solar shingles, 12-foot elevation, stem wall foundation, cement floors between levels, and hurricane-rated impact windows. Additional upgrades include seamless fire-rated doors, spray foam insulation, insulated garage doors, and multi-layer epoxy garage flooring. Inside you'll find 24-foot ceilings, smooth finish walls, triple tray ceilings with integrated lighting, and imported marble throughout the main living areas. The open great room includes an electric fireplace, surround sound, and triple sliders leading to the covered lanai with an outdoor kitchen and pool area. A fully integrated smart system manages the solar tiles, lighting, pool, security, and climate control via smartphone or mounted iPads. Security includes facial and fingerprint recognition, and programmable lighting is installed in the soffits, windows, and baseboards. The chef's kitchen features quartz countertops, a waterfall island, gas stove with pot filler, wine cooler, walk-in pantry, and European-style cabinetry with custom pulled-down shelves. The main-level primary suite has canal and pool views, private lanai access, a large walk-in closet with built-in organizers, and a bath with dual vanities, jetted tub, and a floor-to-ceiling tiled shower with customizable lighting and pressure. Upstairs, secondary bedrooms each have custom closets and access to an open-air balcony with water views. A full laundry room with sink and folding station and 2 additional bathrooms complete the upper level. A paver driveway and included lawn care through the low HOA make maintenance easy. Just minutes from shopping, dining, amenity viewing center, and major highways, this home combines quality construction efficiency and waterfront living in one of Apollo.